Advice for parents who feel lost helping their kids. Oh man. Hashtag same. Hi, I'm Sarah. I've been teaching math and science classes for 20 years, and I like to keep math engaging and fun and not so scary for everybody. Find the links and things for signing up for tutoring in my profile. Something that I hear all the time about, like, from parents is like, well, I'm not good at math, so I don't even know how to help them. But you want to frame that conversation in a different way. You can say something like, I really struggled with math in high school. Let's learn this together. Let's figure this out together. Can we Google this? Because typically you as a parent are going to be more kind of savvy of like where to look things up, right? There's a lot of different websites that are really helpful, right? There's a ton of YouTube videos out there. Watch the YouTube video together, learn together, pull up some TikTok videos, learn it together. But I think a big part of the kind of the meltdowns and things like that is when the student feels like, you know, it starts beating themselves up because they feel like they're not getting it and you're getting frustrated and everybody's getting a little like, everybody's getting heated and excited, and just calming it down and just saying like, look, I don't really know how to do this either, but is the big part, right? I don't really know how to do this either, but let's figure it out together. Showing them that you're not really sure, but you have the confidence to actually try it, right? So don't be afraid to try things. Don't be afraid to be a little bit vulnerable with that, right? Don't say, I'm bad at math, because you're not. You can do math too, but you may just not have learned it yet. That's fine. Learn it now. Learn it with your kid, right? It might be really nice for you guys to learn it together, and then you can both make these discoveries together, and it becomes more of like a partnership as opposed to like everybody getting frustrated and tears. My own child was in tears when I was trying to help her with 6th grade math. So you are not alone. But it's that whole like dynamic between the parents, especially when your parent is a math teacher who like makes her living doing math and you don't get it. You're not understanding it. Like, it's a huge amount of pressure. And also it was just a really long day and I was cooking dinner but instead she went over to my husband. They worked together to kind of figure out what the problem was. So just being a little bit vulnerable with that kind of thing. And I've been doing this a while, so I've seen a lot, but I am not the expert. It's challenging, but it can be done.